Every strong product begins with a strong legacy. Dhar Ply carries forward the vision of Dhar Group, one of Northeast India's respected business houses, founded by Mr. Ngaitlang Dhar. From humble beginnings to building enterprises across infrastructure, timber, hospitality, mining, manufacturing, and exports, Dhar Group has always stood for trust, hard work, and commitment to excellence. Born from this legacy, Dhar Ply represents strength we can build on. At the heart of Dhar Ply is its biggest advantage: authentic Meghalaya pine wood. Carefully sourced from Meghalaya, this pine wood is known for its natural density, stability, and durability, making it one of the finest choices for high-quality plywood products. With this raw material, Dhar Ply manufactures a dependable range of products including flush doors, block boards, ply, and film-faced plywood, crafted for modern homes, commercial spaces, furniture, interiors, and construction needs. Every Dhar Ply product is made to perform where it matters most. Flush doors that bring strength and elegance to every entrance. Block boards that provide reliable support for furniture and